Listen to this, because you're not hearing my voice. You're hearing the message your heart has been waiting for. You have given so much of yourself to people who didn't value you. You have tried so hard to be strong, to be patient, to keep going even when everything inside you felt tired and empty. And for the longest time, you wondered, does any of this even matter? Let me answer you clearly, yes, it mattered. Every moment of it mattered. Your kindness was seen. Your patience was recorded. Your pain was felt. Your strength was admired. And now, you are entering a moment in your life where everything you poured out is coming back to you, multiplied. The love you didn't receive is returning. The support you never had is coming. The opportunities you lost are being replaced by something far greater. Say this slowly. I deserve peace. I deserve real love. I deserve good days. Feel that? That's the beginning of your transformation. Your life is not stuck. It is silently rearranging, preparing, aligning for the moment when everything shifts. You've spent years surviving. Now, you will learn how to live. You won't have to beg for energy. You won't have to chase love. You won't have to explain your worth. Life is about to give you exactly what you deserve, and more. Don't worry about who left you. Don't worry about who misunderstood you. Don't worry about what you lost. God is replacing everything with something better, something safer, something stronger, something that feels like home. Get ready, because the next season of your life will feel like a breath of fresh air after years of drowning. Peace is coming. Love is coming. Clarity is coming. Breakthrough is coming. You are finally about to receive what your heart has always deserved.